Welcome to this fascinating journey into the incredible world of self-healing. Our bodies are capable of amazing things, from fighting off infections to repairing damaged tissues. But did you know that your body has an innate ability to heal itself in many more ways than you might think? From the moment we're born, our bodies are equipped with an extraordinary capacity for self-repair and regeneration. And while modern medicine has made tremendous progress in understanding and supporting this process, there's still so much to learn about the incredible ways our bodies can heal themselves. In this video, we'll explore 5 remarkable ways your body can bounce back from illness, injury, and even everyday wear and tear. From the power of your mind to the incredible flexibility of your cells, get ready to discover the awe-inspiring ways your body can heal itself. So let's dive in and uncover the secrets of self-healing.
If you don't like feeling sick but love feeling great, then stick around. Here are 5 amazing ways your body repairs itself. 1. First up, self-repair of damaged cells. Your body is always on repair mode, using cell division and differentiation to fix damaged tissues. 1. Next, your immune system. It's like your personal army, producing antibodies and rallying T cells and macrophages to fend off infections and diseases. 3. Then there's inflammation. Despite its bad rep, inflammation is your body's way of rushing immune cells and nutrients to the rescue of injured areas. 4. Fourth, tissue regeneration. Your skin, hair, and liver are masters at regenerating and replacing damaged cells, keeping you in top shape. 5. And finally, autophagy. This is your cell's recycling program, cleaning out damaged components to keep everything running smoothly. Your body is an amazing machine, constantly working to keep you healthy. So give it some love with proper nutrition and care, and it'll keep doing its superhero thing.
Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey into the world of self-healing. I hope you're as amazed as I am by the body's remarkable ability to repair and regenerate itself. Remember, your body is a powerful ally in maintaining your health and well-being. Take care of it, nurture it, and trust in its incredible capacity for self-healing. And don't forget to share your own self-healing stories and tips in the comments below. If you liked this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on natural health, wellness, and self-improvement. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like to explore further, let me know in the comments. Until next time, stay healthy, happy, and full of vitality.